Hey guys, this is Eddie with Prince Precision Products, and today I'm going to show you our grinding improvements. We have multiple machines throughout the shop, and it's hard for one person to have to walk around to come to one grinder. So I'm going to show you what we did. Now, instead of you going to the grinder can come to you. Ta-da! The old grinder was hard to move around, and it took a lot of time away, and it wasn't very efficient for you to walk up to it. So now with it on wheels, you can bring it to you. It actually has locks on the wheels that you can lock and keep it in place. So now everybody can use one grinder, but it's efficient for every machine.